Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, tax filing season is gonna be there in India very soon. And whenever it comes to your documentation, your profiling, it's very important that you keep it updated with the income tax website, or you can say the income tax department. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your address with income tax and not just address, contact details, including your phone, email address, if there has been any change. So what you have to do, you can do this online. You see, like I have gone to income tax website e-portal. Here you have to log in. I assume you already have the login. If you don't have, you can go it through the net banking also. Like through the net banking also, you can go to income tax website if you are using. But I assume you already have. So here you need to enter your user ID. Generally, people use their PAN number. I also use PAN number. Click on continue. Why I'm showing this in the form of screenshot? Because of some confidential information that I have wiped out. So you have to check the message and put your password, and then you need to click on continue. Then it will log into your dashboard, and on the main page itself, it will give you a link to update. You see, I have marked it update. Okay. Now here, like some of you may say that why I'm seeing this link Aadhaar to PAN because because I'm not an Indian citizen. That's why it's not applicable to me. So it still works, but I do see that option. Fine. So here you can select your primary number. You can select the country where it belongs to. Secondary, if you want to. See this star mark, this is mandatory. And here your name appears. Okay. Now you can put your details, residential office, email. In the same page itself, when you scroll down, you have the option for address, country, and all other information. District, state, road, street, block, sector, zip code, post office. So once you add the information, like when I opened my profile, I had data in this, but I have just like wiped that out for confidentiality, and then at the end, click on save. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.